respiratory viral illness continue to present a constant challenge to the healthcare system. RSV can cause severe illness in infants, young children, and older adults. Each year in the United States alone, RSV causes approximately 1 million visits to the healthcare providers among children younger than 5 years of age. The RSV season, which typically occurs in fall and winter, it's right around the corner. And this year, we are in a better position than we have ever been, with new RSV vaccines available to protect the most vulnerable populations. In an effort to provide you with the most up-to-date information regarding RSV and the new interventions to prevent severe disease in high-risk groups, the Pan American Society for Clinical Virology is hosting a webinar on the topic on Thursday, November 30th, from noon to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Hello, everyone. I'm Hijano. I'm a member of the PASC Digital Outreach Committee and host today of PASC's Brief. Today, I'm joined by Dr. Heba Mostafa, who is an associate professor of pathology and the director of the Molecular Virology Laboratory at Johns Hopkins School of Medicine. She will be moderating this RSV webinar. Hi, Heba. Thanks for jumping in today.
Hi, Diego. Thank you so much.
So let's go into it. So what will the webinar cover, and what do we hope viewers will walk away after watching it?
Actually, the Pan American Society of Clinical Virology Education Committee, we are very excited to highlight this important topic, which is very timely. So the webinar will provide background on RSV and its seasonal epidemiology. We will be highlighting how RSV is the leading cause of infant and young childhood hospitalization. Also, the webinar will answer the question of why we didn't have a vaccine to prevent it in infants. Our amazing speaker will walk us through the tipping point of 2013 and the basic science discovery, the 2014 until now, and the breakthroughs in RSV prevention research. He will also discuss current vaccines to prevent severe RSV infection in older adults, and also he will explain the paradigm shift in how to best prevent infant RSV infection using passive immunization. Our speaker will also talk about extended half-life monoclonal RSV antibody versus maternal vaccination during pregnancy, and respond to our current uncertainty in general by discussing the expectations going forward. Now we have those vaccines available in the market.
That sounds fantastic. And who will be the speaker for the webinar?
So the speaker will be Dr. Joseph Domachowsk. He's a professor of pediatrics and professor of microbiology and immunology from the Upstate Medical University, Syracuse, New York. He actually has spent many years researching RSV vaccines. He is the director of the Maternal, Child, and Pediatric Global Health Program at the Institute for Global Health and Translational Science, and his research is focused on broadening the understanding and reducing the morbidity of respiratory viral infections in newborns, infants, and young children. He has served as a PI on more than 60 clinical trials. The majority of those, he evaluated the safety and efficacy of new immunization candidates across vulnerable populations, and this included, of course, newborns, infants, young children, and pregnant women. He currently and his team of clinical research assistants are involved in clinical trials that are designed to evaluate novel investigational vaccines for prevention of RSV, also congenital CMV, varicella, invasive meningococcal infection, and COVID-19. And his career efforts up to date actually have contributed to FDA license or emergency use of more than 18 new vaccines. So fantastic speaker, fantastic and timely topic, and we are very excited to share this with all Pan American Society of Clinical Virology members and the non-members.
I could not agree more with you. Finally, so this will be a 1 hour continuing education activity. Are we offering credits for viewers?
Yes, actually, we will have credit offered for this webinar.
Awesome. It sounds like it's going to be a great webinar. Again, this will take place on November 30th from noon to 1 p.m. Eastern. Use the link below to register. Thank you very much, Heba, for joining us, and to our viewers, go out and register today.
Thanks, Diego.
Thank you.